everyone, welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here we have x multiply x, we have this to be x squared divided 3 multiply 3 is 3 square, which is equals to 3 multiply 3, 3 square, divide x multiply x, we have this to be x square. So if we simply cross multiply, we have x square multiply x square is equals to 3 square multiply 3 square. So we have x squared all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2. So if we simply rearrange it and set it to 0, we have x raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to 0. Then from this property, if we have a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. So right here we have that a is equals to x raised to the power of 2 and b is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. So from here we have this to be x raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2 multiply x raised to the power of 2 minus 3 raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 0. So we have that x raised to the power of 2 plus 3 square is equals to 0 and x squared minus 3 square is equals to 0. So for x squared plus 3 square equals to 0, we have this to be x squared is equals to minus 3 square. And we have that if x squared is equals to a, then we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of a. So from here we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of minus 3 square. So x is equals to plus minus the square root of 3 square multiply negative 1. But if we have the root of a multiply b, this is equals to the root of a multiply the root of b. So we have that x is equals to plus minus the square root of 3 square multiply the square root of negative 1. But the root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have that x is equals to plus minus, this we cancel out this, we have this to be 3i. So we have the first values of x. Now for x squared minus 3 square equals to 0, we want to simply apply this property that says a squared minus b squared. This is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. Alright, so applying this, we have this to be x plus 3 multiply x minus 3, and this is equals to 0. So we have x plus 3 equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have that x is equals to 0 minus 3 and x is equals to 0 plus 3. X is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 3. So we have all the values of x right here. So we are going to say hence the values of x are given us. So the first value of x, we have x is equals to minus 3, 3 plus 3i and minus 3i. So these are the values of x. So the next thing guys you want to do is to simply verify to show that all the values of x are actually correct. So to verify, we have the equation to be given as x over 3 multiply x over 3 is equal to 3 over x multiply 3 over x, and the values of x is equals to minus 3, 3 plus 3i and minus 3i. Okay, so we're going to say for x equals to minus 3, we have minus 3 divide 3 multiply minus 3 divide 3 is equal to 3 divide minus 3 multiply 3 divide minus 3. So we have this to be, this is going to cancel out this, we have minus 1 multiply this, cancel out this, minus 1 is equal to 1 over minus 1 multiply 1 over minus 1. Minus 1 multiply minus 1 is 1, which is equals to 1 over 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So we have the left hand side to be equals to the right hand side. So therefore x is equals to minus 3. Okay, so we are done with the first one. So we say for x equals to 3, we have 3 over 3 multiply 3 over 3 is equal to 3 over 3 multiply 3 over 3. So this cancel out this, we have 1 multiply this, cancel out this is 1 is equal to this, cancel out this, we have this to be 1 multiply this, cancel out this, we have this to be 1. Alright, so we have 1 is equal to 1. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore x is equals to what? 3. So we say for x equals to plus 3i, we have the question to be x divide 3 multiply x divide 3 is equal to 3 divide x multiply 3 divide x. So we have 3i divide 3 multiply 3i divide 3 is equals to 3 over 3i multiply 3 over 3i. Okay, so we have, this is going to cancel out this, we have I multiply this, cancel out this, we have this to be I, is equals to this, cancel out this, 1 over I, multiply this, cancel out this, 1 over I multiply I is I square, which is equals to 1 multiply 1 is 1, divide I multiply I is I square, but we know that I square is equals to minus 1, so we have minus 1 is equals to 1 over minus 1, and we have minus 1 is equals to minus 1, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so therefore x is equals to plus 3i. So lastly, let's simply verify for x equals to negative minus I. So we say for x equals to negative 3 minus I, we have negative 3i minus 3 multiply negative 3i divide 3 is equals to 3 divide negative 3i multiply 3 divide negative 3i. So from here we have this to be, this is going to cancel out this, we have negative I multiply this, cancel out this, we have negative I is equals to this, cancel out this, 1 over negative I multiply this, cancel out this, 1 over negative I. So from here we have negative I multiply negative I, we have it to be I square, which is equals to 1 over I square, but we know that I square is equals to minus 1, so minus 1 is equals to 1 over minus 1, and minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, so therefore x is equals to minus 3i. So we have been able to verify for all of the values of x right here, so therefore we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus 3i and minus 3i, and this becomes the value of s. So with this, guys, we have been able to solve this nice algebra math problem, and we have been able to find all the values of x, and we have all the values of x to be minus 3 plus 3i and minus 3i. So with this, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do where to click onto that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.